Hello. Today I'm here to talk to you about the new Kase Wolverine magnetic filter system. Kase was kind enough to send these to me so I could do some tests on them, and I have recently tested them in the field, and I will confirm three things that are that is really important. There's no color casting. They're easy to use. The glass is well tempered, and therefore it's rugged, and if you drop it, it likely won't break. This system comes with, each filter comes with its own magnetic adapter ring, in case you only want to buy a polarizer or a grad ND or an ND or whatever suits your fancy on that. So that ring just attaches to the front of your lens like you would normally screw on any filter. At that point you can just leave it on. So the filters themselves also have magnets in them. And the easiest way to explain how this works is you just let the magnets do their job, and it simply will take the filter right out of your hand and attaches it to the front of the magnetic filter ring. Then you can, in this scenario, dial your polarizer so that to your liking, and then you can start shooting from there. If you want to get more technical and want to add some filters, they work the same way. So the graduated neutral density, you can set them at the angle that you want depending on your light condition, and it as well just simply takes it out of your hand. And if you want to continue to stack filters, then you can add your neutral densities or a multiple of graduated NDs, and again it just simply grabs it right out of your hand, and away you go. So these filters, like I said before, are exceptional, and there's no color casting. I'll throughout this video post some stills from my recent shoot of these. The first one will be without any filters, and then there'll be one with the polarizer, and then the next one will be the polarizer plus the neutral or graduated neutral density, and then the polarizer graduated ND and the ND. So the last still photograph I'll post in this video was over 3 minutes long, and you'll be able to just see the exceptional quality of the filters and what the result is using them on the lens. Now I've always been a big believer of shooting with filters on the lens. I don't like to spend much time in front of my computer, and if I can create the effect I want by the use of filters on my lens, it gives me more time to be in the field, and that's where I prefer to be. The entire system from Kase is very well designed. The threads on the filter rings work really well, and I'm sure if you were to buy their system that you would find the same. Each filter comes with its own protective plastic pouch with foam in it. They're well packaged, and they're a joy to use. So I'd like to take this time to thank you for watching my video today, and if you have any comments or questions, I'd be more than glad to answer them. I do workshops all the time, so if that is something that would interest you, please feel free to reach out to me. I do them online as well as in the field. Thanks again, and have a great day.